Hello, my name is Tai Kim at Kyung Systech. We're here at MODEX in Atlanta, Georgia, demonstrating two primary pedestrian safety systems. So let me show you first the IPAS, or Intelligent Proximity Alert System. How it works, it has a vehicle tag, as you can see in the demo vehicle, and also the operator screen that the operator of the forklift or equipment can see if there's approaching pedestrians. So let me just go ahead and turn it on. So once I have this pedestrian tag, you can see immediately that the vehicle is detecting. I'm currently in the warning zone, but if I get too close to the vehicle, then you can see this is now in the danger zone. You can also use this to integrate this with the control system of the vehicle to slow down or stop the vehicle if it detects a pedestrian approaching nearby. So I just go ahead and turn it off. So this is a pedestrian tag and vehicle tag communicating with each other. If we move over there, I'll show you the video or vision AI-based detection system. So in this case, we have a monitor with a screen that shows a around view of the vehicle so that the operator can see surroundings. And then you can see here the pedestrian is detected by the camera. So that camera is detecting me, I'm approaching here. And then same thing, it either can activate a lighting system like this, or it can also help slow down the vehicle or stop the vehicle if needed. The beauty of this vision-based pedestrian detection is you do not need a tag, right? It'll just detect human approaching from any angle. So we have two primary systems, IPAS, tag-based, and IVIEW Plus, which is vision-based. So come and see us here at MODEX. Thank you very much.